Hi, I'm Russ with Skid Steer Solutions. We're here today to talk about the PDX-1000 skid steer mounted breaker style post set. Now, Eterra first built this in 2007, creating this particular category of attachments. The first thing you'll notice is just how solid this attachment is. Eterra uses a fully isolated power cell, which reduces noise to the operator and wear on the machine. Other manufacturers simply sandwich their power cell between two plates, which creates more noise to the operator and more wear on your machine. The key to this type of post driver is it uses a nitrogen power cell. This makes it simple in construction with very few moving parts and very safe for the operator. There are a ton of cool functions that come standard on this attachment, including this tilt right here. Now, this cylinder will push this 15 degrees either way, allowing you to put posts in straight up and down while on the hillside. Now, fence installers know how important this is. To add more versatility, the PDX-1000 comes with the flat post guide system included. It comes with 4 of these plates. It comes in the 8-inch, 6-inch, 4-inch, and 2-inch sizes. You run your post through these holes, holding it in place, and this almost becomes a one-man operation. Unlike other manufacturers, the driver of the PDX-1000 is made from a single piece of heat-treated steel. This makes it more durable, more reliable, and longer lasting than other products on the market today. Made from the same hardened steel, the optional breaker tool will allow you to create a pilot hole to help put posts into frozen, hard, or even rocky soil. It definitely makes your job easier. Now that you've heard me talk all about the features and benefits of this post driver, how about I step to the side, let you watch this put a couple posts in on a real farm.